In this video, I'll be showing you how to change lock screen clock color on Samsung phone and style. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is once you have your phone unlocked, long press in an empty area on your screen. Then on the bottom left, you're going to see wallpaper and style. Now from here, all you got to go ahead and do is on the left, you're going to see your locked area where it has the clock and everything, and you're unlocked on the right. So go ahead and click on your locked screen on the left. Then this is where you can customize things. So we see the clock right now. All I can do is go ahead and click on it. And then over here, I can change the font if I want to, but then I can also change the color to whatever I want as well. You know, you can have even different shades, which is really cool. And you can change it to however you want as well. There's so many different ones that you could go ahead and choose from. Let's say I wanted something like this. All I got to do is go ahead and choose it. I can then change the style if I want to as well. Then go ahead and press done, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials as well.